if you're still struggling with 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 in 2025, then you're your own problem. Because tell me why you don't already have 1,000 subscribers. Why haven't you run promotion with me yet? You are dulling and you are the one killing your channel. You are the one disturbing yourself because why are you still struggling with 1,000 subscribers? If you've been following this channel and you haven't yet done your promotion for 1,000 subscribers and you're still complaining in your comments or complaining about your channel, stop wasting time. Stop doing things the hard way. Because if you're on YouTube here and you're not yet monetized or you're not making money one way or another on YouTube, then you're wasting your time here. Stop wasting time. Send an email to stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com today and tell me you're ready for your 1,000 subscriber promotion. You will get your 1,000 sub in 24 hours. This is not a joke. This is not a trick. I've helped over 100 channels to get to 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. So I don't know what you're waiting for. If this is an issue of yours, you're struggling with 1,000 subscribers or you're struggling to grow your channel or you're struggling to get monetized or you need one-on-one coaching, any of this category, if your channel or your problem falls into these categories, then send an email to stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com and tell me what you want, and you'll get a response that quick. Okay, so please stop wasting time. This is 2025. Nobody is here on YouTube just wasting their time without making money. You're spending data, you're investing your time, resources. It's not easy. So why are you here relenting to do your promotion? If you are not aware about this promotion, then listen to me, okay? The promotion is just like running promotions on YouTube itself, but instead you're running promotions with me because this is more guaranteed to get you 1,000 subscribers. YouTube promotion is not guaranteed to get them to subscribe. It's only going to get your videos or your channel to people, to audience, but it doesn't guarantee subscription. This promotion with me guarantees 1,000 subscribers. Period. As long as you choose, this is the amount of subscribers I want. If you want 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, I got you. Okay. So if you're interested in this promotion to get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, less than 24 hours even, then send an email to the email on your screen or down in the description. No fluff, no scam, no sugarcoating. It is what it is. You get what you pay for, okay? So please stop delaying, stop complaining. The issue of getting to your 1,000 subscriber, I'm here to solve it. Just hand the reins over to me. Send an email, let me know you are ready for your promotion, and you will get your subscribers, like I said, in less than 24 hours. Okay. So yeah, so that's what this video is for. Just to remind you in case you don't know, and for the people that do not know, and for the people that have done, you can testify in the comments. Okay. And also share the link to somebody that is struggling to get 1,000 subscribers so that you can help a fellow YouTuber out today. Let this video reach them. Let them know that yes, it is possible to get 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. I'm going to link other videos for you in the card. Check those out. They are going to help you tremendously. And if you have any questions, do not forget to leave them down in the description. I will get to them. Don't forget to send your email, stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com, and I will get to you. All right. Thank you for watching today's video. I will see you in the next video.